And this is how you do it in 1 minute. And put a new one back on it. Easy and simple. Stay tuned so you can watch for details in the whole video. Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to replace the battery on a Mercedes C300 2011. I believe from 2008 all the way to 2014 C300s should be about the same procedure. So this is the key that I'm gonna show you how to do. This is my old key. This is what you should like your key should look like. So first you release and take this little key from inside here by pushing or actually sliding this little thing to the side like this, like that. You're just pushing it, on this case, to the left like that, and then you can pull the key up. So I have it in here already. So in this case I basically took this apart so I can show you. It have a little thing in there. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see the little thing on the right. So I'm gonna point it out to you right now. So on this section right here, I'm gonna push this tab out with the same with this key. I'm gonna push it out. I'm gonna switch it this way so you guys can see. If you can see that. So basically what you were seeing is this little clip over here, which is it goes on this section. So with this key, you're gonna get the key, put it in there, and basically do this movement. Nice and gentle. So I took this top off just to show you that, but I'm gonna show you what you like the way you're supposed to do it without taking that top off. You release the key like this, like that, and then in the back, what I was showing you right there on this side, basically put the key, there you go, and you do that. Now we'll put this back. So now we're gonna do on the key that I'm actually changing. So now to take the key off, you basically just have to push in the bottom over here on the it's kind of hook. I'll show you how to do it. Like, you basically, when you install it, you push it down like this and it should click on it, and then to release it and take it off, you just push in the bottom and it should unlock. Very easy. And on this key I have a Panasonic CR 2025 3 volts, and it's actually made in Indonesia, it says. So, and to install it, you do it like this. You push it up a little bit if you can. You get it back and basically do the same thing as what you did before. You put it like that, click on it, and on this case, since I took this off because I did this just to show you guys the back of the key, this area right here, so you guys can see it better. That's the only reason why I did this, but you guys don't have to take that off. You only have to do it like the same way I show you with this key. Just basically take this key off and release that and change the battery. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.